Now, shall I ask some more questions? Can you give answer? See. For example, integer a equal to 9. Okay. Int a equal to 9. After this, float b equal to a. System dot out dot println b. This will compile or not? Yes or no? Yes. Sure. Now here, is it integer to float or float to integer? Integer to float. Is it comes under 19 or 23? 19. So it is valid. Okay. Say A is a int type. A is a int type. B is a float type. Integer assigned to float. So this conversion is called integer to float. 1 minute. See, this conversion is called integer to float. Into to float. Into to float comes under 19 conversions. 19 conversions are widening conversions automatically done by system. So it is valid. It is valid. This output we are printing float format. B we are printing. B which format? Float format. So 9.0 comes. 9.0. Okay. 0.0 added. Integer if you assign to float, 0.0 added. Float if you assign to integer, that fractional part truncated. Okay. Only integer part comes. Write this one. See 56 conversions, 56 code snippets if I give, you can give answer. No? That's it. Only one chart you have to remember. With that chart only you can give answers. Okay. Write this one. It is integer to float. It comes under 19 conversions. 19 conversions always valid. So output is 9.0. Output is 9.0. Okay. Into the float and output is 9.0. One more. Second one. Double A equal to 99.99. Double A equal to 99.99. Okay. Character B equal to A. System dot out dot println B. Will it compile or not? Yes or no? Think yourself and give answer. Will it compile or not? Yes or no? Double A equal to 99.99. Character B equal to A. System dot out dot println B. Now, my question is, will it compile or not? Yes or no? How many people answer it will not compile? Just raise your hand. Okay. Online students also. Okay. No. How many people answer compiles? Okay. So all are giving right answers. Very good. Okay. Say it is double. It is double. Double to character. Double to character. Is it 19 or 23? 23. Narrowing conversion. Okay. Must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise error. So it is error. Just write it. It is not valid. It's an error. It is not valid. It's an error. Okay. Write this one also. It is double to character. It is double to character. So A is a double, B is a character. Double to character. Now my question is, can we solve this error? Yes or no? Yes, we can solve. If you want to solve, in the brackets, what we have to write? In the brackets, you have to write char. If I compile, it will compile. If I execute, it will execute. What will be the output comes? What will be the output? $99C. Any other answer? Small c or capital C? Small c. Okay. 90 here, 0.99 truncated. Only this 99 stored. But 99 ASCII character is small c. 97 means small a. 98 means small b. 99 means small c. So this is executed. You will get an output small c. Output is small c. Okay. Point something, fractional part is zero, that is truncated. That is truncated. So output is small c. See, yesterday only 3 code snippets I explained. Only 3. 53 code snippet you can give answer. No? Possible? No? Like this, if you learn up to last class, you will be able to write any program. Okay. Like this, up to last class, not only starting 10-15 days. Okay. So you have to show your interest up to last class. You should have a patience to learn subject. More patience required. Okay. And that too, not only here, after getting a job also patience required. That remember. In a software industry, if you want to be in the software industry, you should have a more patience. Learning is not going to end in Amirpet. Okay. Suppose Java 17 is there. Up to Java 17, I'll teach. After joining in the company, 18 comes. Again, you have to learn. 19 comes. Again, you have to learn. Learning is not going to end in Amirpet. After getting a job also, you have to learn. After getting a job also, you have to learn. That's what you should have a more patience to learn subject. If you don't have a patience, you are not suitable for software industry. That is remember. If you don't have a patience, now itself go for other fields. Now only go for other fields. Okay. See, only 3 code snippets I explained yesterday. With that knowledge, you are giving all answers. So almost 90.99% people giving right answers. You observe. Okay. Now, today next concept. Operations on data. Here also just 3 code snippet I'll explain. Again, next code snippet you have to give the answer. Okay. Just operations on data, only addition remaining later. Because operators I didn't explain. 40 plus operators will be there. Okay. Operators I didn't explain, that is later. Only addition. Here also one small chart is there. Say byte, short. You already studied no data types. How many primitive data types are there? 8. What are those? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. 8 data types. Okay. Now here a byte, short, int, char. These 4 data types. In these 4 data types, any one data type. After that, again the same 4 data types, any one data type, if you add, the result is always integer. So byte, short, int, char. In these four, any one data type plus again in that four, any one data type. If you add, result always int type comes. Result always int type comes. Okay. Next, byte, short, int, long, char. In 5 data types, any one data type plus long. Result always long. Here, byte, short, int, long, float, char. In these 6 data types, any one data type plus float. Result always float. Last one, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char. In these 7 data types, any one data type plus double. Result always double. Okay. Boolean not possible. Same here also. Only this one, if you remember, again here so many operations comes. Say, you observe. In these 4 data types, any one like that. If you add 4 plus 4, like a 4 into 4, 16 operations comes in this line. In this line, 16 comes. 4 into 4. Nothing but byte plus byte, result integer. Byte plus short, result integer. Byte plus int, result integer. Byte plus char, result integer. Like that, 4 into 4, 16. Here 5 operations. Here 6 operations. Here 7 operations. So these many operations. Okay. Just write this one. Here also just 3 logical code snippets myself I'll explain. You have to listen with more concentration. 4th code snippet only you have to give the answer. Compulsory. So listening is most important. Listening is most important. Just note on this one. Is it over? 3 logical code snippets I'll explain. While teaching, if you listen with more concentration, remaining all you can give answer. It is possible. Okay. See, listen with more concentration. If any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, you can ask, I'll explain. See, byte A equal to 5. Byte B equal to 8. Byte C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Don't write. I'll give time for writing. Just listen. Listening is most important. First listen. Okay. I'll give time for writing. Now you observe. Byte A equal to 5. Byte B equal to 8. Byte C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Now in this case, you observe. In this case, here byte C equal to A plus B. Byte C equal to A plus B. I written. Okay. Here A which type? A is a byte type. Okay. B which type? B also byte type. B also byte type. Byte plus byte result. Result which type comes? Integer comes. See here, byte plus byte. Result is integer. Now, so integer comes. Integer. This integer I assign to which type? Byte type. See byte type only, no? Now, integer to byte conversion. Is it comes under 19 or 23? That one also required, not only this one. Don't forget that one. Don't forget. Integer to byte. Is it comes under 19 conversion or 23 conversion? 23. 23 conversion. 23 conversions are called narrowing conversions. Must be done by programmer explicitly. So it is error. This is error. See, most of the students, what they'll do, it is also byte, it is also byte, it is also byte, 5 plus 8, 13, they'll write. It is error in Java. Software company written test like this only. Option A, option B, option C, option D, multiple choice question they'll ask. What they'll ask is, will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and execute, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is the error? Not execute, where is the error? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? This type of questions only they'll ask. But students are learning pages theory. They want MNC job. Then how it is possible? So you have to learn logics. Logically, if you are strong, any program you can write. Later 10-line program also, 100-line program also, any program you can write. If you are perfect in logic. So you should be strong in logic. First, logic is important. Logically, if you learn subject, not only my programs, new programs also you can write. Okay. Now, this is error in Java. See, A is a byte type. B is a byte type. Byte plus byte result is integer type. Integer, if you assign to byte, it comes under 23 conversions. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. So it is an error. Write this code snippet. Two more code snippets I'll explain. After that, you have to give the answer. So every day I'll interact with you. Every day. Up to last class, every day I'll interact with you. And even I'll conduct exams also, already told. Assignments also. Everything will be there. Okay. Then only you'll get a subject. Those who missed starting 2 sessions, you watch videos. Recorded videos available, no? You watch videos. Because first class, I taught what is full stack Java. Second class, I taught how to learn Java. Those two most important. First class, how to learn what is full stack Java. This course program complete I explained. Second one, how to learn Java. How to learn Java also explained. Those who missed those 2 videos, you watch. Then you'll understand about this course and you'll understand how to learn Java. So A is a byte type, B is a byte type, byte plus byte result int type, int if you assign to byte, error comes. So it is an error. If you want, you can write this one also for understanding purpose. Is it over? No. Now, here, second one, little bit I'll change. Here, in the brackets, I'm writing byte. Okay. Now, what will be happen? Just you observe. Byte C equal to, in the brackets, byte A plus B. I written like this. Now, A is a byte type. A is a byte type. Now, what will be happen is this byte only converted as byte. Again, what will get it? Byte only comes. Byte only comes. After that, here B. B which type? B byte only. Again, byte plus byte. Again, integer comes. Integer result. Okay. This integer I assign to byte. It is again error. It is also not valid. What we converted is only a value we converted. Actually, we have to convert result of a plus b, not a. We converted only a. That's what. Again, it is error only. It is also error. Here, a already byte. Myself, I converted into byte. Again, byte only comes. This byte, again this byte. Added. Result int type. Integer assigned to byte. Again error. But if you write in the brackets, it is called explicit type conversion. It should be valid. But result of a plus b we have to convert. But what we converted is only a. That's what again error this is. It is again error only. Write this one. I'll give just we have to write one more bracket for a plus b. Result of a plus b we have to convert. So this one also write it as it is. So a is a byte type. That a byte converted a byte only. Say a already byte. Again we converted into byte only. Okay. After that added. That's what integer comes. Again byte. If you assign, error comes. Okay. Is it over? Now one more. See, third one. Third one. For this one also, I'll write brackets. Okay. Now what will happen? See, byte c equal to in the brackets byte. Again here a plus b. Here also. Now first here a plus b addition done. So it is a byte. B is a byte. B is a byte. Byte plus byte. Result integer. Result integer. This integer myself explicitly I converted into byte. Myself I converted into byte. So it is valid. This byte assigned to byte. So it is valid. Now you'll get an output 13. Right, this one. So what's the difference between previous code snippet? This code snippet is previously only a converted. Now a plus b result converted. Result of a plus b I converted. Okay. Write this one also. Result of a plus b converted. Result of a plus b. That's what valid. A is a byte type. B is a byte type. Byte plus byte integer type. Integer myself I converted into byte. Then byte assigned to byte. Valid. Is it over? So previous code snippet and this code snippet, somewhat difference is there. Previously only A converted, but here A plus B result converted. Okay. So A is a byte type, B is a byte type, byte plus byte into type, into converted into byte explicitly, then assigned. That's what valid. Okay. Now, fourth one, you have to give the answer. You have to give the answer. Integer C equal to A plus B. Is it valid or not valid? Think yourself and you answer. Valid or invalid? 1 minute. How many people answer is valid? Just raise your hand. Okay. So online students also, all people respond. Okay. Your answer can be right or wrong, whatever it may be. You have to think. Now, say it is valid because it returns integer only, assigned to integer. So into C equal to A plus B. Into C equal to A plus B. A which type? Byte type. See, B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte which type? Integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Integer type. That's what valid. It is valid. So output is 13. So not only today, after 1 week also, if I ask, you have to give the answer. Okay, you should not forget. After 1 week also, if I ask, you should be able to give answer. Okay. A is a byte type, B is a byte type, byte plus byte result into type, integer assigned to int. Valid. It is valid. Output will be 13. Is it over? One more I'll give. One more. One more I'll give. Fifth one. Character A equal to capital A. Okay. Short B equal to 3. Okay. Character C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Is it valid or not valid? Your answer can be right or wrong. Everyone should give answer. But don't discuss with your friends. Whatever you know, that is give answer. Don't discuss with your friends. Valid or invalid? Multiple answers are there. Valid also is there. Invalid also is there. One minute. How many people answer valid? Raise your hand. How many people answer valid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In online, 13, 14. Okay. 18, 19, 19 members in online valid. 4 members, year valid. Okay. Next, how many people answer not valid? Okay. Year 59 maximum. Okay, 59 online. But still, many people not given answers. Here also few people are there. I have seen nearly 10 members not given answers. My eyes on everyone. My eyes on everyone. 10 members not given answer. What is your answer? It can be right or wrong. You have to think. If it is wrong answer also, nothing will happen. Okay. See, online also 150 students. Offline also 150 students. 300 students. Now, these all very simple. When object-oriented programming is started, majority will give wrong answers also. It will be happen. Okay. That's what don't depend on majority people answer. Whatever you know, that is give answer. I'll prove. Majority also will give wrong answers. It will be happen. Every batch I proved, your batch also will prove. Okay. Every batch I proved, your batch also will prove. Okay. Sometimes majority will give wrong answer. That's what don't see the majority. Okay. Now whether it is right or wrong, we'll see now. Now, here character C equal to A plus B. Okay. Now, A which type? Character type. B which type? Short type. Character plus short which type? Integer type. Integer result integer comes. Integer assigned to which type? Character type. Integer to character, it is comes under 19 or 23? 23. So it's an error. Right. Very good. Majority people given right answer. Very good. Alright, this one, it's an error. So till welcome program also I didn't explain. How to download Java software, how to install Java software, how to set the temporary path, how to set the permanent path, everything I'll explain. Okay, I didn't explain till welcome program also not completed. We'll see everything I'll teach. Don't worry about subject, don't worry about duration. In a short period, good subject I'll show you. But only thing, every day I'll interact with you like this only, you have to give answers. Compulsory. That is compulsory. Okay, then only you'll get a subject. Only myself I'm teaching, yourself you are watching means you'll not get a subject. Okay. So A is a character type, B is a short type, character plus short. Result is integer type. Stop discussions, stop discussions. Listening is most important. Okay. If listening is missed, everything is missed. In a classroom, first priority listening. Okay. Now, A is a character type, B is a short type, character plus short, integer type. Integer, if you assign to character, that is error comes because 23 conversions. It's an error. Can we solve this error? We can solve this error. If you want to solve, what we have to write? In the brackets, character. Is it valid? Now also not valid. Because this A only converted into character. A already character. Again, character plus short integer only comes. So what you have to do? A plus B. Like this you have to convert. Okay. So here, char C equal to, in the brackets, char A plus B, if I write. Okay. A which type? Char type. B which type? Short type. Character plus short result which type? Integer type. Integer type. Okay. This into myself I converted into which type? Char type. Char assigned to which type? Character type. So it is valid. Valid. But we are printing C. C character type. Now here capital A nothing but number 65. 65 plus 3. 68. 68 character printed. So 65 means capital A. 66 means capital B. 67 means capital C. 68 means capital D. So what is output? D. Output capital D. Write this one. Output capital D. Output capital D. See, only 3 code snippets I taught. 4th code snippet onwards, you are giving answers. No, possible? No, like this possible. Okay. Learning style, most important. Later, while teaching programs also, if you learn my way, any program you can write. If you learn my program only can write. So you have to learn not programs, my way you learn. My way of programming, if you learn, any program you can write. My programs, if you learn, my programs only can write. Okay, you have to learn my way of programming. So output is capital D. Capital D. So A is a character type, B is a short type, character plus short integer type. Integer myself I converted into character type, character assigned to character type. So it is valid. Output is D. Output is capital D. Okay. Now, if I give any other code snippet like this, can you give answer or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. One more. 7th one. Double A equal to 100.98. Double A equal to 100.98. Okay. Here short B equal to 3. Short B equal to 3. Character C equal to character A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Now, is it valid or not valid? Each and everything, each and every line you observe and give answer.